channel. Welcome to my science class. Today's our topic is energy flow in an ecosystem. In previous class or in a previous chapter, we study about the ecosystem or the living thing which is present in our surrounding. So that living thing, it is having large number of it is having a lots of their number is very large. So first we study classification. Okay, now this classification is related to their nutrition, means the living thing which is present in our surrounding that can have different type of diets. Depending upon that, we classify all living organism. Now depending upon that nutrition, first one, the living organism that can sell, that can prepare their own food, it is known as autotrophs. Okay, this autotrophs is having this autotroph, it is having their own food material, or they can prepare their own food material because of there is present a photosynthesis process. Okay, this photosynthesis process, it is only done because of there is present a chlorophyll. This chlorophyll can have the process to form a photosynthesis, to convert the sunlight into a food. Okay, means photosynthesize, and after there is formation of food, that food it can be stored by autotrophs, and that autotroph means they can live to self prepared food on depending upon their own food. Now second one, that cannot have their own food, so it is known as a heterotrophs. That heterotrophs which is not having they cannot prepare their own food material. Understood? So that food material it cannot prepare, so they are depend on autotrophs. So their food is from autotrophs. Okay, when their food it can be taken from the autotrophs. Now this heterotroph, it is having two divisions, or it can having the two different, or it can be divided into two. The heterotroph, heterotroph, it is also called consumers. It is also called consumers. Means consumers are that one that can take on the food from the autotrophs. Consumers are that can the living thing that can take food from autotrophs. So we have the heterotrophs that cannot prepare their food. That is a consumers. That consumers, it is having different type of classification. Means primary. It is having a primary consumer. There is a secondary consumer, and last one, it is known as apex consumer. Okay, so primary consumer branches. It eat branches, means their food is branches of the plant, so it is known as herbivorous. Herbivorous, it is known as herbivorous. Okay, the secondary consumer can eat primary consumer. Means secondary consumer are depend on the primary consumer. So it is known as that can eat the herbivorous. That can eat the body of herbivorous. Then it is known as a carnivorous. It is known as carnivorous. That can eat carnivorous, means that is eat of fleshes, that can eat a body of living herbivorous. Understood? So it is secondary consumers. And what is the example? Like a tiger. Okay, what is the example of primary? It is known as a grasshopper. Grasshopper. Now there is a tertiary or apex consumer. It can depend on the carnivorous. Okay, it is also called carnivorous. Now all these are the basic concept of the classification. Means classification, it is depend on the nutrition. Whenever it is give autotroph, they can self prepare their own food. Their heterotroph, that is depend on the autotroph. So autotroph, first one, that is a consume herbs, it is herbivorous. That herbivorous, it is eaten by carnivorous, and that carnivorous, it is eaten by apex consumer. Understood? So in this way, all the body of that organism, whenever it is died, it can be consumed the by the organism that is known that is a decomposer. Here we understood that apex consumer, it is also having one of the characteristic, that is it is give end of that body. Okay, means whenever the carnivorous it is eaten by carnivorous, carnivorous, the body of apex carnivorous it is eaten by one of the concept that is totally finished from this earth. So that is known as it is known as a decomposer. Decompose means decomposer eat the body of carnivorous, apex carnivorous. Sometimes it is secondary consumer also, means it is eaten whenever it is died, it is also consumed by decomposer. Means the food of decomposer, it is the body of apex consumer, body of secondary consumer, or maybe it is body of primary consumer. So it is a decomposer. Now you understood that whenever some plant and animal which is classified depending upon nutrition, they can eat herbs and also the fleshes. So what is it called? It is known as omnivorous. It is known as omnivorous. What is the example of omnivorous? It is human being. Human being. Human eat. Human eat. It is eat fleshes. It is eat the second. It is eat secondary consumer. Sometimes it is eat primary consumer also, and sometimes it is known as a decompose. So sometimes it is eaten grass, or it is eaten by some plant also. So it is known as a omnivorous. Now in this way, it is the animal which decompose the body. It is the example of fungi. Some fungi that can grow on the dead body. So decomposer, it is one of the type of example fungi. Sometimes that fungi it is grow on the dead body. So it is grow on dead body. It is also as saprophyte. It is known as saprophyte. So it is the classification which is depending upon the nutrition. Okay, the classification which is depend on the nutrition. So this type of nutrition whenever we study, it is only due to the nutrition that can transfer from one that can transfer from one level to the second level, and it is end to the saprophytes, or it is end to the ending of the whole body. Thank you.